diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease.
Welcome back to The Diamond Consumer, the show where we dive into the world of diamonds and give you the inside scoop on how to make your jewelry sparkle and shine for years to come. I'm your host, Ms. Diamonds, and today we're going to talk about something every diamond lover needs to know: diamond care and maintenance. Whether you've just purchased your first piece or you're a seasoned collector, it's essential to take care of your diamonds so they can maintain their beauty and brilliance for a lifetime. So, grab your favorite sparkling piece of jewelry and let's jump right in, because this episode is all about keeping your diamonds looking like new no matter what life throws at them. Alright, let's start with the basics. Diamonds are known for their durability, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're indestructible. Diamonds are ranked 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means they are the hardest known natural material. However, hardness doesn't necessarily mean unbreakable. While diamonds are resistant to scratches for most materials, they can still chip or break under the right conditions. So, why is it important to care for your diamond jewelry? Well, regular maintenance ensures that your diamonds stay looking their best. After all, a diamond is more than just a gem. It's an investment, a token of love, or a symbol of achievement. You want to keep it sparkling as brilliantly as the day you got it, right? Let's dive into cleaning, and trust me, this is crucial. Diamonds are known for their sparkle, and that sparkle can easily get dulled by oils, lotions, dirt, and even the natural oils from your skin. It's all about keeping your diamond as clean as it is beautiful. Do's. Regular cleaning. Clean your diamonds every few weeks to keep them shining. You don't have to overdo it, but giving them a gentle clean every few weeks will help maintain their brilliance. Use warm water and mild soap. Grab a small bowl, fill it with warm water, and add a drop of mild dish soap. Place your diamond jewelry in the solution and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use a soft toothbrush. After soaking, use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently scrub the diamond. Be sure to get into the crevices where dirt can hide. Don't use any harsh brushes, as this can scratch your diamond and setting. Don'ts. Avoid harsh chemicals. Don't clean your diamonds with bleach, chlorine, or other abrasive cleaners. These can damage the metal of your setting and even affect the diamond's surface. Avoid ultrasonic cleaners too often. While ultrasonic cleaners can work wonders, don't use them too frequently, especially for diamonds in delicate settings. The vibrations can loosen the stones or cause damage to the setting over time. Now, I know you may be wondering, what about my engagement ring? Yes, even that beauty needs regular care. Don't wait until it's looking a little less than sparkly. A quick clean can do wonders. Now, let's talk about settings. While diamonds are tough, the metal surrounding them often isn't. Whether it's gold, platinum, or silver, the setting can be vulnerable to wear and tear, which can affect the overall safety of your diamond. First things first, inspect your setting regularly. Over time, prongs, the little metal claws that hold your diamond in place, can become loose, putting your stone at risk of falling out. It's a good habit to check that all the prongs are intact by gently running your fingertip over them. If you feel anything unusual, get your piece checked by a professional. Better safe than sorry. Also, avoid wearing diamond jewelry during strenuous activities. Things like gardening, exercising, or even cooking can expose your jewelry to the risk of getting caught on something or scratched. Diamonds may be tough, but the setting is not indestructible. If you're planning to do something that could involve physical activity or rough surfaces, it's best to take your jewelry off. Alright, let's talk storage. Where you keep your diamonds when you're not wearing them matters just as much as how you clean them. If you toss your jewelry in a drawer or leave it lying around, the stones can scratch against each other or become exposed to dust and dirt. Here's how to store your precious pieces properly. Use a jewelry box with soft compartments. A well-padded jewelry box will keep your diamonds separated from other jewelry, which helps prevent scratches. Look for a box that has individual compartments or pouches for each piece. Keep them in a fabric pouch or a lined box. If you're traveling or just want to be extra careful, wrap your diamonds in a soft cloth pouch or store them in a padded box. This keeps them safe from potential damage, and it's a great way to keep your pieces organized. And hey, if you're a true diamond lover, you might even want to have a separate box just for your most cherished pieces. After all, diamonds deserve a home as sparkling as they are, right? Now, here's one of the most important tips I can give you. Get your diamond jewelry inspected by a professional at least once a year. I know it's tempting to think, it's fine, I haven't had any issues, but annual inspections can prevent minor problems from becoming big headaches. A professional jeweler will check for any signs of wear, loose settings, or other issues that could compromise your diamond safety. They'll also give your ring or necklace a deep clean and polish, restoring its shine and keeping it in top shape. For those of you who are rocking an engagement ring or a sentimental piece that you wear daily, here's a little extra advice. Since you wear these pieces every day, they're exposed to all sorts of elements. So here's what you can do. Take your ring off when doing household chores. This includes cleaning, washing dishes, and gardening. Harsh cleaning products, dirt, and abrasives can damage your ring. Get it repolished occasionally. Over time, even diamonds lose some of their lustrous shine, and your ring may become dull. A professional polish can restore that like-new sparkle. Taking care of your diamond jewelry isn't just about maintenance, it's about cherishing the memories and milestones they represent. Whether it's the engagement ring that marked a new chapter or the necklace you inherited from a loved one, these pieces are more than just diamonds. They're symbols of love, achievement, and moments that matter. So, to recap, clean them regularly with mild soap, check your settings, store them carefully, and make sure to get professional inspections. With just a little effort, your diamonds will continue to sparkle for generations. Thanks for tuning in to The Diamond Consumer. I hope you feel more confident about how to care for your beautiful diamond pieces. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your diamonds looking their best. I'll catch you next time with more diamond tips and tricks. Until then, keep sparkling, my fellow diamond lovers.